With the BMW Luggage Basket, additional luggage can be transported on the roof of your BMW. First, unlock the cover with the key and take the cover out. Use the back side of the key, then make a quarter turn to open the other cover. Open and remove the covers on the other side too. Use the torque wrench to loosen all 8 screws. And don't forget to also loosen the 4 anchor points. Make sure to open the covers of the roof carrier. Lift the luggage basket on the roof and position it centrally from the side. Adjust all mounting plates to the roof carrier position. Then use the torque wrench to tighten all 8 screws again. First, thread the sliding block screws in and lift the luggage basket over it. Repeat this for all other sliding block screws. Position the luggage basket centrally and screw on all clamping bolts. Put the 4 covers back on, close and lock them. And finally, close and lock the covers of the roof carrier. Make sure to tighten and secure your luggage accordingly. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.